Why weight gains?
When we ingest a meal, our body automatically digests all the food we have eaten and make nutrients available for our body by throwing it into our bloodstream, regardless of our real need. Personally, I would have preferred if we digested just the part we needed and thrown out the rest. Unfortunately, God, or whatever creator you want to call him, hasn't put that much thought onto that, but there's maybe a reason for that. Until the age 18, we grow fast and need a lot of energy, protein, and vitamins to grow and to be strong. But after this period, the growth slows down until the age 25. Growth have almost come to a stop. Your body now uses nutrients for maintaining your system's function, like renewing the cells outlining the digestive tract. Maintaining the system wouldn't take up that much energy, so our need for energy diminishes by the years passing by. But somehow, our appetite for a good meal increases. The result of eating more and eating less is storing the unused energy as fat and fat cells. But why couldn't our body use all that excessive energy totally before telling us we need more? Well, our caveman genes say, eat more and store it for the days when you can't go hunting in winters or in droughts. The problem is that for today's man's lifestyle, those days never come. We don't need to hunt or gather anymore. Okay, so we have a caveman body that has evolved through millions of years of evolution, but our technology has advanced faster. So fast that our body didn't have enough time to adjust itself for the civilized man's lifestyle.